Hello, dear friends. Hope you fine. We have learned already about predicate, right? We have seen that predicate is a part of the sentence that comes for the subject of the sentence or that tells about the subject of the sentence, or predicate modifies the subject of the sentence. Okay, and we also have seen that what comes in the predicate. Okay, so there comes verb. Okay, so you can see in the example, forgets is a verb, and also other part where object is there. Okay, you can see here object is underlined, then complement is there, then adverbial, the last part adverbial. Okay, so these are the four grammatical category that comes in the predicate. Let's recognize the subject and predicate in these two sentences. Okay, uh, before going to recognize, I already told you about how to recognize subject and predicate. Okay, how? So ask question by who you will get the subject. Okay, and once we'll get the subject, then rest part of the sentence will be the predicate. Okay, so let's find out first subject, and how to find out subject by asking this wh word who. Okay, so let's ask this question. Rahul, who is a clever boy in the class, is absent today. Who? So here this whose answer is Rahul, who is a clever boy in the class. Okay, so this is the answer of this who question, right? And therefore this is the entire part is a subject. Okay, and the rest part of the sentence, that is absent today, is a predicate. Okay, so this is a who part, and this is what part. Okay, so who part is a subject and what part is predicate here. Let's have one more example. Saraswati is practicing very hard. Who? Saraswati. So Saraswati is the subject of the sentence and the rest part of the sentence is predicate. Okay, so in this way we have to recognize subject and predicate. Okay, let's have one activity. Okay, where subject is given and you are supposed to add predicate. Okay, so we'll have here practice, and then I'll share one worksheet where you are supposed to add this predicate. So let's see the first, my mother. Okay, so you can add any predicate. So my mother is cooking very wonderfully. My mother takes care of entire family. My mother takes my study. Whatever you feel, you can add this predicate. Okay, so here is for your information, predicate is added. So cooked rice this morning. Okay, so this is a predicate. Okay, so my mother is a subject and cooked rice this morning is a predicate here. Okay, again one more subject is the children. You can add any predicate here. Children are playing on the ground, children are crying for chocolate, or children are watching any uh, children are watching games. Okay, this is also possible here. I have kept one, are playing ludo. Okay, ludo game. Then next one, that English you can add. English is a global language. English is very easy to speak. English is very interesting language. Okay, any predicate part you can add here, right? I have added is a global language. And last one, teachers in the school are teaching us. Teachers in the school are helping us to develop in all the ways. Okay, so here I have added teach us. Okay, so this red color part is a predicate that is added. Okay, I have added as per my wish, my knowledge. You can add as per your wish, as per your choice. So here we have added this predicates, right? So in the same way, I'll share one worksheet in which you are supposed to add predicates as per your wish. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you very much.